You must watch this video, and I'm serious, guys, because I'm going to show you how you can properly use Claude AI for affiliate marketing without being banned, okay? That is why it is important to watch this video. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to find a good keywords. Now for that we are going to use Claude AI. So here I will give it a simple prompt. Find me high search volume, low competition keywords related to keto diet. Let's say I'm in keto diet niche. So I can quickly rank high in search results. And all I have to do is just click enter and Claude AI will find those keywords. Okay, Claude AI finished, and here you can see related keywords. Keto diet for beginners. 40,000 search volume. This is actually estimate, so this is not 100% correct, okay? It is only estimate. Keep that in mind. Competition, medium. Intent, informational. Here you can see content idea, ultimate beginner guide post. Here you can see how to start keto diet, 22,000, but 22,000 searches per month, but competition is low. So here you can see beginner how to, here you can see audience specific, here you can see restaurant eating out, here you can see meal planning, and so on and so on. So we need to choose one of these keywords that has a low competition. So for example, I just say this keyword here, keto diet for women over 50. Here you can see 8,000 searches per month, low competition, informational. Hormones keto after menopause. This is the idea. So what I need to do, I actually need to check out this keyword to see how many searches this keyword really have and how strong competition really is for this keyword here. So I will simply copy this keyword and then I will go on Google Keyword Planner. And then here I will simply paste that keyword here. Here you can see keto diet for women over 50. I am targeting United States. Click here on get results. And here you can see, okay, let me just, okay. And here you can see keto diet for women over 50. Monthly searches between 100 and 1000 searches per month. Competition here it says it is actually high. So this is not that good keyword. So what we need to do, we need to find another keyword with less competition. Let's say, for example, for men over 50. So here I will change, instead of women, I will say men, okay? For men over 50. And then click here to get the results. Here we can see keto diet for men over 50, between 10 and 100 searches per month. Competition is medium. So let's say I will stick with the women for the purpose of this video, but of course you will find better keywords. You will go through these keywords here, you will check them all out to see real search volume and real competition by using Google Keyword Planner. And you will find a better keywords with less competition but still good search volume. But like I said, for the purpose of this video, I will stick with this keyword here, keto diet for women over 50. So now I need to give a new prompt to Claude AI to write me an article for this keyword, okay, targeting this keyword. So this is my prompt. Here you can see, again, it is really simple and easy prompt. Write me an SEO optimized title, subtitle, and article for this keyword. Keto diet for women over 50. Text must be well researched and contain well-verified facts. That is really, really important because we don't want to scam these women, okay? We wish to help these women. That is why this part here, well-researched, well-verified facts, that is why that part is really important. Text must look like it was written by a real human being. In a minute, you will see why this is important, okay? So all I have to do now is just press enter and Claude AI will write this article for me. Okay, Claude AI finished, and when I click here you can see how this article looks. Just give it a second, and here you can see keto diet for women over 50. What actually works and what to watch out for, okay? And here you can see this is my subtitle. Here you can see 12-minute read, researched backed, okay? And here you can see this is my article. This is how this looks. Here you can see some figures and some numbers. Now this actually makes this article more readable when you actually divide it like this, and when you provide these little boxes with some numbers. Here you can see titles, subtitles, some passages, and here you can see some other boxes with different colors. Now this makes articles more readable, and people are more likely to read this entire article because, like I said, this way it is more readable. So what I need to do, I actually need to check out this article, because this article, I told it, it has to look like it was written by a real human being, but does it actually look like that? Many big companies, they don't actually like AI written articles, including Google. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this part here. Actually, I will find some other part with more text. So let's say, for example, I will copy this part here, okay? And the more text you check, the better results you will get. So when I go here on, for example, Quillbot, and when I paste that article here, and when I click here, detect AI, Quillbot will check this article, and here you can see 80% text is likely AI. So this is almost 100%, it is 80% written by AI. So this will not rank high on any search engines. Reddit doesn't like it, Facebook doesn't like it, Twitter doesn't like it. Nobody likes AI written articles. So what I need to do, I simply need to go on this tool here, Humanize AI Text with Super Humanizer, and I simply need to paste that same text here, and then click here on Humanize, okay? And then give it a few seconds to finish. Here you can see they found all the suspicious parts in this article. So when I click here, and when I click here, apply changes. Same thing here, click, give it a second, apply changes. Go here, go for every part that actually is marked as a not written by a real human being. And let's say, for example, this one here, this part here again, and I will do that for entire article, okay? Okay, so let me just copy this article now, Control C, and let's just check this article now on Quillbot. So let me just delete this, okay? So I deleted this article, let me paste this new article, okay? Click here, detect AI. Give it a second, and here you can see 0%. Now this article now looks like it was written by a real human being. So Google will like it, Facebook will like it, TikTok will like it, Reddit will like it, all the big companies, all the big websites will like this article now. So what I need to do, I simply need to go back here on Claude AI, and I need to replace this article here, okay? So what I need to do next, now I need to publish this article. Now, if you can publish this article on your blog, on your website, on your web hosting, that is by far best option. If you cannot, you can publish it on Media or medium.com or vocal.media. But if you're an absolute beginner, what you can do, you can simply click here and you will get an XML, and you will get XML code. And what you need to do, you simply need to highlight all of this code, this entire code, okay? Just give it a second, okay? And Control C. And you need to go here on Google Sites, and you need to start a new Google site. Now, here we don't need header, so I will simply delete this. Now what you need to do, you need to click here on Embed, click on Embed Code, and I will simply paste that code here, click Next, and then simply click here on Insert. And I will make this to be wider, like this, and also I will make it to be longer, something like this, okay? Just make it a bit longer. Okay, so when I click here, I can see how my website looks now. And here you can see how my website look on desktop or on laptop. This is how it looks. Actually, it looks pretty good. So here I can see how it looks on tablet. Still looks really, really good. And here I can see how it looks on smartphone. Here you can see it still looks really, really good. So let me just click here. So now what we need to do, we need to go here on, for example, Digistore 24, and here we need to find some products to promote. So here I will simply search for keto, okay? Keto, and then here I will actually choose English language because I need only English language. So let's say, for example, I wish to promote this product here. I will simply click here, copy promo link, and I will go back here. And let's say, for example, I need to find some part of the article. So let's say, for example, so here I will simply add my affiliate link. Okay, just paste it here, click on next, click save, and that's it. I added my link. So now this is a clickable link. And if someone click on it and buys this product, I will earn an affiliate commission. So let's just click here again just to see, is this actually good? So this is the link. When I click on it, as you can see, it redirects me to my affiliate offer, to my Digistore24 affiliate offer. So if I buy this product, so if someone buys this product, I will earn an affiliate commission. So all I have to do now, I need to click here on publish. I need to choose my web address and then click here on publish, and that's it. I will publish this website. So all I have to do now is just need to start promoting this website wherever I can, and I need to start driving as much traffic as I can. I need to start promoting this website on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Reddit, on related forums, on YouTube. Promote it wherever you can to drive as much traffic as you can, because now you have a website that is 100% written by a real human being. Okay, it will pass all the bots, so your article will look real to the Google bots, to all the Facebook bots, Instagram bots, Reddit bots, so you will not be banned. Okay, and that is really, really important. So this is how you can use Claude AI to make money with affiliate marketing in 2026 legit way. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.